One thing that people really covet in any design, and when I look at what clients show us in terms of inspiration, it's always a lot of light. That is something that people, I think, crave. It is a huge factor in how we approach a room. And the goal is always to maximize that sense of light.
Screens can be a challenge for a designer because they block the view of the window, or they create different shadow lines. They really change the aesthetic of a project. And while they're necessary, it would be great to have a way to make the screens more visible. We are proud to introduce the integrated Rolscreen retractable screen. Pella has a long history of innovation, and it started with the Rolscreen. And this product is really a great example of that, and integrates really where the company started with where we're headed, which is continued innovation, products that give designers and architects and homeowners great options and great aesthetics and great functionality. So you do get the same protection from a normal screen, keeps the bugs out, has all of that, but you close the window, the screen goes away, and you still have that pristine view out the window, or the pristine view of the window.
Came walking up the stairs and you go, wow, and how great is that to be able to have something that's a functional window and looks so amazing. They can really dramatically change how you envision a space, both inside and out.
The benefit of not having a screen on the window, it allows so much more light to shine into the room, and you get to see the beauty of the window. It's really about letting your design shine through.